Hi, my name is Taija Votkin and I work as a lecturer at Aalto University. I teach languages and I have taught tens of online courses. I also work in the Aalto Online Hybrid Lab. Unfortunately, I couldn't be here today because I'm in Florence at the conference talking about online learning. But I'm still available for you, your questions and comments, so you can write me email, and tomorrow I will be available also online. So please be in touch. What is important to me as a teacher when I teach online courses? A few things. Good learning experience, motivated students, and students with not too much extra stress, and also good group dynamics. I think it is very important when learning. What can be done to improve the online learning experience? Here are some of my ideas, and I really want you to develop them further and to look for different types of practical solutions. So one is good course planning. You have clear instructions, good time planning, and also some possibilities to choose among tasks and themes and so on. And also that you have a clear criteria for evaluation. You know what is expected from you when you take this course. And who makes the course? How do you create a good course? And I think it is the teacher and the students together. It's not enough if the teacher is putting a lot of effort or only the students. I think it's a project that the teacher and the students do together. I think it's good that you take these both things into account, because there are a lot of new teachers. There are teachers that are not so experienced in online learning, and then also students. But how can this be done in the best possible way? How can we create a good connection between the teacher and the students, and also among the students? Teacher presence is something that is important on online courses, because the teacher might not be present there all the time. The course might not be in the same place at the same time. So how can you be in touch with the students then? I've used a lot of videos. I record videos with instructions, with a welcome note, audios to give instructions for assignments, audio feedback, and then also sending messages. Some of them might be automated or copied from a previous course, and some might be more timely. But anyways, that you hear from the teacher and you know where you're going and what's going to happen next. And then feedback, both from the teacher and from other students. And also possibility, even though you have the best instructions in the world, there might still be questions, something that the students might be uncertain about. So I think it's good to be available for questions and answers, for example on Zoom, or at least via email and so on. You want students to be connected with each other. What could be the solution for that? I think one good thing is to present yourself to each other. And you get to know who is on the course with you, who is learning together with you. And of course it's more powerful if you have videos, audios, pictures, and kind of less formal introduction of yourself. You can tell about your interests, what you like, what you don't like, anything more personal. And I also make a presentation about myself. Might be a video, might be an audio, might be pictures, about things that I like, and then some text. Another thing is I like this cooperative learning. You do projects together. It can be a mind map, you can write something, you can do a presentation together. It's possible on an online course as well, even on an asynchronous online course. So you can work together on a project at a different time, but in the same place. What I like a lot is sharing your work with others. Whatever you do, every assignment can be shared with other students, because you actually learn a lot from other people's work. So if it's an online course and if you only return your work to your teacher, others don't know what you are doing, and that's kind of sad. So I think you can create these possibilities for sharing your coursework. By this way you can keep up the feeling of learning together, even on an online course. These are just a few things that I've been doing. there's a lot more to do, like the technology develops all the time, and there are like so many options out in the world, it's even hard to choose. So the question is that how can we improve the online learning experience, and how can we make it more social, and how can we connect the students more with each other, and to create this kind of like very nice and pleasant and motivating online learning experience. There are many different ways of adding some human touch to your course. So being present there yourself as a teacher, and also making the students to be connected to each other during the online learning experience. And I think we all can agree that learning is fun when you do it together, and when you can learn from others. And this is something I think is good to implement on online courses in the future, so that they just don't become distant. I think adding some closeness and warmth and personal touch, so it makes a big difference. So I wish you all good luck with your planning, and I'm sure you have amazing ideas, and I'm really looking forward to seeing your solutions.